How to remove a payment method from Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about removing a payment method from your Roblox account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your web browser and then go to roblox.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and then click on the settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings page, look for the payment methods on the left side that you will find between notifications and subscriptions option. Here you will see all your added credit and debit cards as well as other payment methods that you've set. To remove a payment method, you can find the one that you want to delete and then click on the remove button next to it. It's that simple. So this will delete the payment method from your Roblox account, ensuring that you no longer be billed. So I hope this helps. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.